Good morning, students. Today I am continuing your last class. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process of making food in a plant. Okay. This is a diagram of plant. Okay. And this is the equation of how to make food plant in a process of photosynthesis. So presence of sunlight, leaves have a special thing is called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll trap the sunlight in where? In leaf. Okay. And water. Root absorb the water, carbon dioxide plus water. Okay. Presence of sunlight, the plant makes a food product is called glucose, and in this reaction the product of wastage of out as a form of oxygen. Okay, so this is the picture. Chlorophyll, the green color in the leaves, traps energy from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil. Next, glucose, the correct name for plant food, and release oxygen which is given into the air. So this is the small diagram. All of you draw in your copy. Okay. So this is the revision of your photosynthesis. Next, let us learn about the leaf where food is made by the plant. The next diagram of leaf. All students know what is leaf? Leaf is kitchen of plant. This is the internal structure of the leaf. Okay. This is this vein. It called main vein. Okay. This is called side vein. Okay. This broadest part is called lamina. This is petiole. Okay. And downside of leaf, stomata. Stomata is very important part of your leaf. Okay. So students, this is the part of leaf. All of you draw and write. Okay. See how the part of the leaf help in making and distributing the food. The leaf blade. Leaf blade. The leaf blade is the flat part of the leaf. It has the trap a lot of sunlight. Lamina and leaf blade both are same. Right? The leaf has tiny openings called stomata in a downside of leaf. The leaf takes carbon dioxide. Through these carbon dioxide is used for photosynthesis. Okay, students. The oxygen which is made during the photosynthesis photosynthesis goes out through the stomata. Stomata is tiny opening. Sometimes the leaf has extra water. This becomes water vapor. It also goes out through the stomata. Next, the main veins and the side veins have tiny tubes. The main veins and side veins have tiny tubes. Means tubes, you know not tubes, it's like a pipe, water pipe. The main veins and side veins have tiny tubes inside them. Some tubes carry water and nutrients to the leaf. What is the work of tubes? Leaves carry the nutrients from the soil and water from the soil and distributing the all part of the plant body. These tubes are called xylem and phloem, while others carry food from the leaves to different part of the plant. If you cut through a leaf and look at it under a microscope, you will see the leaf cells. These contain the chlorophyll. Okay. So how stomata look like? Stomata look like okay. This is the tiny opening. Stomata. Okay. So student, this is your explanation of leaf. Next, all living things, whether plant or animal, are made of cells. Cells is the basic unit of life. Cells are very tiny and can only be seen through a microscope. These are different types of cells. Okay, right?